It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 F150 XLT PowerBoost. This is a full hybrid. It has a 3.5 liter V6 engine and it has a 35 kilowatt hour motor as well as a 1.5 kilowatt hour liquid cooled battery, and the energy is recaptured through braking and as well when the vehicle's idling. So you don't have to plug it in, but you do have fuel savings because for certain times you're using the battery as opposed to the gas. It has an agate black exterior with medium dark slate seats in cloth. That's seating for 6. You also have the XTR package. You're noticing the chrome accents there with the handle, tow hooks, fender and bumper, as well as on the running board. And in the rear here we have our backup camera, backup sensors. You've got your trailer tow hitch, nice 5.5 foot box, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside it. This is a 3.5 liter PowerBoost engine. It's a full hybrid. It's V6 and it has a 35 kilowatt hour hybrid motor that lives inside the 10-speed automatic transmission, special to Ford, and it has a 1.5 kilowatt hour liquid cooled battery, and that is underneath the vehicle, encased and secure, so there's no lumps or bumps inside. This vehicle is a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. In the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. There's also the B&O badging on your audio system, and driver and passenger seat are powered with lumbar all-weather mats on the floor, and you have your electronic parking brake, high mount lighting, gas cap release, as well as your lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, tailgate release, and there's a running board and grab handle making it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel you have your lane keeping, cruise control and volume, your menu and hands-free dialing. And then when you start up the vehicle, it's just a push of a button, your foot is on the brake and your key is in the pocket. On the dash, any important messages, and you notice it saying it's ready, and it's quite quiet. This is a full hybrid. It has a 35 kilowatt hour motor and a 1.5 kilowatt hour liquid cooled battery. It has regenerative braking, so when you brake and also when you put your foot on the gas, not goosing it, just doing it gently, it'll actually recapture that energy and go back into the battery to recharge it. And so this vehicle does not need to be plugged in. The battery is recharged through the regenerative braking. So we're seeing the menu here. It says My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, Settings, and these all have sub-menus. And you notice the icons change on the right-hand side as well. And then we have an automatic select shifter. When we press the M at the end here, it's just the mode, and we go back out again. And we're seeing how many kilometers to empty there, and to the left is your odometer reading, just so you know. Up top, your B&O badging and a little place to put items. And then here is your Pro Power on board. So it is letting you know that it's got a supply there. As well, you've got your camera. So I haven't put the vehicle in gear, but I am getting a view. So this is giving me the view from the rear, and it is showing me what's behind. Now this red line is just a protective cover on here, but the green, yellow, red is telling me how close I am to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. There's your center line, and there's the back bumper. I can hit it again and I go out of it. There's the hazard lights, hill descent, traction control, and then this is the main display. You see there's a little display on the right hand side, so you can go up and down in this if you want. And I don't know if you just heard that, and the engine just kicked in. So we have the main menu here, and then you can have this sidebar if you want. So you go into navigation, you can choose in your menu, choose your destination. We can go into audio, choose our sources. And again, I'm just touching on the screen for what I want. AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. We can go into our settings, and there's different options in there, like your sync navigation, your sound, your clock. You can change the look of your display. You can change the measurements in your general from kilometers to miles or back and forth again. Same with the language and so forth. You've got your updates, connectivity, and so forth. Just choose what you'd like, and there's sub-menus there. And then in features, you can go in. This is where your owner's manual is, and there's your power flow. So it actually shows you what's going on. So the battery's charging because the engine's on, and we're idling right now. You've got towing, zone lighting, Pro Power on board, and driver assistance. So you can go into any of those and choose whatever you'd like. Now volume and tuner, and then you've got the dual climate control and dual heated seats. You have your front and rear defrost, AC and max AC, USB-C, USB, and 12 volt. There's a little bin down below. There's your Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, 4x4 with locking differential, and you've got drive mode. So when we dial through the drive mode, you're going to see different icons come up. So here's normal, tow haul, eco, sport. Let's go the other way, and you notice the icons change. Slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl. So as road conditions change, the way you're driving, the weather's changing, you can adapt by going into the different modes to choose the best control and traction that you need for that condition. And in the center, we have a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up with more storage, then flip it up for another seating position, and then underneath we can unclip, and you've got more storage down below. Off to the side is a 120, and you also have your 120 volt there and the 28, and you have a locking glove compartment. This one just releases, and that's the top one, grab handle in the body. You have an auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, and you have a power screen as well as power moonroof. Let's just push that. Nice blue skies today, and it goes all the way back. You can see how far that is. It's quite nice, gives you some nice light and air. My dog loves this. And you also have a power sliding window in the rear, and that's that control, and you're ready to go. 18-inch wheels, chrome door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and chrome and magnetic running board, as well as keyless entry keypad. Driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. You're seeing the XTR badging. That means that this vehicle has bling. It has chrome bumpers, fenders, tow hooks, handles, and running board. As well, in the rear, we're seeing the backup camera just above that chrome handle, and the LED light to the right. Backup sensors on the bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when we want to bring that tailgate down, we simply double click our fob. It'll power it down for us, and you've got nice good sized box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And you also have a place to put clamps. There's one on the left and the other one on the right. And then when you're ready, you just bring the tailgate up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's also grab handles in the body, and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position, and you get more room on the floor with that nice all-weather mat. And then to bring the seat down, simply pull the tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center you have a 12-volt USB-C, USB, and a couple of cup holders. Up top, that nice twin panel moonroof, grab handle on the driver's side, lighting and hooks, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. 2 kilowatts Pro Power on board, and that means you can plug in, say for instance, your tools and power them up as you're driving. You have a 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.